the situation didn't work. It was a disappointment. But some of you have already managed to bounce back. Now there can be another crossroads following the lovers, but it doesn't seem to be a crossroads that can be in favor of a reconciliation, a reunion with this person. Coming to life, bottom of the deck, is kinda interesting because right now it feels like a consequence coming from the separation stage. Some of you may have come back to life as soon as the connection was over. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Quick general love reading for my friends Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Whenever you watch this, take what resonates and leave what doesn't. If you resonate, let us know. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for the support. So guys, let's find out together what's coming through for you. Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus in the love arena. Let's see what we can get for you guys. Almost a jumper. Here we go. The Dragonfly, be light-hearted, finding out, things coming to light, adapt, change, heal. Hammer, sabotage, rebuilding, interrogation, repetitive, persistent, working on it. Lightning, sudden change, shocking news, surprise, epiphany, upheaval, transformation. Bottom of the deck, we have separation, sadness, missing you, thinking about you, yearning, unsure of future. It's up to you. Trust, major factor. For me, there is something better and no need to worry. Bottom of the deck. So, guys, let's see what the tarot has to say about these energies. And we are ready. So, your energies, Knight of Swords, 5 of Wands, the Lovers, Hanged Man. Your person's energies, Wheel of Fortune, Death card, the Empress, Ace of Swords, meeting energies, Ace of Wands, Queen of Swords, Six of Wands, and the Word. Our focus, Page of Swords, bottom of the deck, Eight of Pentacles. Productive energy, this is a mindset, working for a goal, an attention to the details that can make the difference in favor of an endeavor. Bottom of the Eight of Pentacles, King of Wands. This can be a proactive energy, the decision to take action. It can be about this person speaking up, but we are talking about an ex, guys. And the King of Wands can also describe some of you when it comes to the necessity to make a choice, make a decision about this person. So this is a reading, guys, for some of you that may have already left behind a meaningful partner, let's say, because we have the separation oracle card involved after all. Then despite the transformation, death card related, when it comes to your connection, this person comes back. They reach out. They can say that they got their clarity about the connection. For some of you, it can be a surprise because of the Knight of Swords. That can be a mirror, meaning that it can be the energy that you can receive when this person shows up, basically. The Five of Wands can be about inner conflict. What should I do? Because if you have embraced a new stage of your journey, kinda choosing to invest a lot of your time and effort in yourself, basically, in your endeavors, the fact that this person can offer to you a new spark of passion and desire, well, it can be something that puts you guys in a hanged man mode, uncomfortable position, yes, but with a higher purpose that should be aimed at the chance to understand what can be the best possible horizon for you. They are hoping that this attempt can be successful, because the Wheel of Fortune can be about time, yes. It can be about cycles and life chapters, also because we have the Word, but it can also be a fate, the turn of the events, or a lucky break. This person is counting on the fact that it is possible for them to be clear enough to present to your attention the opportunity to achieve the healthiest possible growth or the highest potential when it comes to your connection. They are hoping also to leave behind the separation stage, because the Death card can be about a situation that moving forward is completely different compared with how it was. I am not so sure that this is something that can be done, because you may have more doubts and more questions about the real chance to be successful with this person. And I am saying this because we have there is something better oracle card, which is meaningful. It is. And if we follow the Page of Swords as a simple energy about gathering knowledge, we come back to the Hanged Man, and it's about shifting a perspective. So if you have doubts about the connection, despite the passion, Ace of Wands, King of Wands, that can be involved, you may think that in order to fulfill your heart and soul, it can be better to leave the battlefield behind. The battlefield is about how the connection unfolded the first time, and also the type of situation that caused the separation. The Six of Wands for some of you guys is different from the Six of Wands for this person. They are counting on the fact that they can be successful when it comes to be with you again, but for you it's the opposite. Your success can be found elsewhere, and the word can be the final closing point on a connection that has already gone through a breakup, a standby at the very least, if we want to be optimistic, let's say, considering the Wheel of Fortune as a time factor involved somehow, some way. But the word, guys, is about not just life cycles and life chapters, following the wheel also. It's about lessons. And for me, the point with the lessons is that by going through the experiences, we can learn a lot of things. That's why the gathering knowledge, coming from this simple but meaningful Page of Swords. By learning a lot of things, we can raise the level of awareness, wisdom, and knowledge, so that hopefully we have the chance to be more successful in the following stages of the adventure. The Hanged Man is another energy about enlightenment. It's like you already know this person, you know what they can bring in favor of a love partnership, or what they cannot bring in favor of a connection. And it can be a surprise, yes, that they reach out with an offer, basically. The offer is mainly a passionate one. It is also fair to say that they can try to seduce some of you guys. Empress, Ace of Wands, King of Wands. They are also thinking that a certain amount of attraction can play in their favor. You can still experience in a powerful way the interaction because you get the lovers after all. But do you still trust this person following the oracle card? Do you believe that it is possible to rebuild a connection from the ground up? Or do you feel that it would be like listening to an old song following the repetitive keyword from the Hammer oracle card? Because the Queen of Swords, at the end of the day, can be the final verdict, you know? And the Queen is not going to bow down if a situation is not for her. You can match each other when it comes to the communication part. Ace of Swords, Queen of Swords. But it seems that the odds are against this person. Because some of you may have already decided to set your mind on different things following the Eight of Pentacles. And maybe you do not trust the ability of this person to build a partnership in a way that can be reliable enough to stand the test of time. So let's ask for guidance considering these energies, guys. Here we go. Ride the wave. Kinda interesting because it seems that some of you have already done that. There was a separation. You have managed to handle the situation in order to grant in your own favor the chance to pursue new fulfilling opportunities, new endeavors. And the fact that this person can show up one more time may be an unexpected event, but at the same time something that does not impress you guys so much. Goblins. This is about perceptions and kinda about something that can be different from how it seems. I wouldn't say that this person is bringing to your attention an illusion because they have the Ace of Swords, which is about truth and clarity. Your conversation can be one extremely straightforward, even a little bit cold, I have to say, considering the Queen of Swords also. But what if they are naive, guys? What if they think that things can be different from the last time without properly realizing that it's not the case, you know? they can say that they had an epiphany following the Lightning Oracle card and the Ace of Swords. They think that the situation can turn out to be positive moving forward, but you have a different perception about that. One Ring Circus, which can be about a one-man show or a one-woman show, and this is not in favor of the connection, to be honest, because it may have been a pattern involved the first time, kinda like one person that is doing all the work and the other one that is not up to the task, which makes sense if we follow the Eight of Pentacles. And if you can question the mindset of this person, you basically already have a factor that deserves a lot of attention. But another thing is that what if some of you have truly and consciously decided to pursue new endeavors in order to build up your stability, even your finances, and the idea to fall once again for a cycle with this person that can bring confusion and noisy and annoying interactions in the everyday life, basically, is not something that you want to experience moving forward. And Sad Embrace kind of makes the point even better than my English, because the situation didn't work. It was a disappointment, but some of you have already managed to bounce back. Now there can be another crossroads following the Lovers, but it doesn't seem to be a crossroads that can be in favor of a reconciliation, a reunion with this person. Coming to Life, bottom of the deck, is kinda interesting because right now it feels like a consequence coming from the separation stage. Some of you may have come back to life as soon as the connection was over. And that's why it can be uncomfortable for some of you, the fact that this person wants to be with you again. Because it would be like a decision to sacrifice what you got, basically. A freedom, let's say. Let's talk about a concept. The freedom to do the things that can bring fulfillment in your favor. And this can be quite an element in order to drive, let's say, your heart over head decision. It seems that for some of you guys, the chapter is already over, and it can be just a matter of expressing your decision, your verdict one more time. You may kinda know that there can truly be something better down the road in your favor. It's a loss, it seems, for this person. So, guys, I hope that I made myself clear and this was helpful. Let us know if you resonate, comment, like, share, subscribe to the channel. Until next time, I wish you the best. Take very good care of you, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.